Hello, and welcome back to Simple Science. My name is Sydney, and it's Earth Week! You know what that means. I've got a cool Earth Day experiment for you. We're making plantable paper. The materials needed for this experiment are a blender, some seeds, some food coloring, some recycled paper, a sifter, which you may be able to find in your kitchen. If not, any kind of a mesh material would do, a bowl of warm water, and some rags or cut up cloth. Now, let's get started with our plantable paper. The first thing you're going to need to do is tear up your recycled paper into tiny pieces. Once you have your pieces ripped up, you're just going to toss them into your bowl of warm water and make sure that they are all soaked. Next, what you're going to need to do is grab your paper and place it into your blender. Then, once you have your paper in there, you're going to pour your warm water into your blender until it's about halfway full. The next step is going to be optional. If you would like your paper to be colored, you can add in a few drops of food coloring. Now you're just going to blend everything together until it becomes a pulp-like consistency. Now you're going to take your strainer and place it over a bowl or a sink. And you're going to pour your mixture over. The water is going to drain out, and then you're going to take your seeds and place them over the mixture. Kind of strain it out into a thin layer, squeezing out all of the excess water. All right. Once you've gotten out as much water as you can, you're going to take your strainer and place it over a couple of rags. And try to make sure it stays as flat as possible. Now you're just going to wait about 24 hours for it to dry. After 12 hours, gently take it off and turn it over so the backside can dry. After about 24 hours, this is what your paper should look like. You can go ahead and cut it into whatever kind of shape you would like. I made a square, but again, you can do whatever you like. Next step is to plant it. Let's go. To plant your paper, you're gonna make sure you have a hole about 1 inch or 2 deep. Place your paper in there, cover it back up with soil, and then water it. As you tend to your plant and water it every day, you'll be able to see it grow. But I hope you enjoyed this Earth Week Simple Science experiment, and we'll see you next time. Bye.